So like I promised, I found a company that is recruiting people to come on board and train AI. And right now they are making massive recruitments. Like they need a lot of people to come on board and train AI. So this particular platform partners with leading AI labs and enterprises to vet human intelligence, curate world-class teams, and transform their expertise into high quality experience. So they're always looking for people to come on board and do things like image labeling, data annotation, and videos to train AI so that AI can be able to recognize pattern and stuff like that. So they are right now looking for a lot of people to come on board to join them, rendering this service to their clients. So if you're a stay-at-home mom, a student, or someone who's looking to make extra money on the side and you have a smartphone, that is the best part. Like you can use your smartphone to do the jobs that is needed on this platform, then you are qualified to come on board and work with them. So in this video I'm going to share with you the process of getting on board and the jobs they have available. You can also see the amount you can potentially make on the platform, and then the application process, because all you need is just to have a resume and a Gmail account to get started. So it is very easy. So we're going to walk through the process right now in this video so you know exactly how to get started. So but before we continue, when I found this opportunity, I was really curious, and then I wanted to make sure that the platform is legit, so you know that you can find legit jobs and you can get paid once you finish the job. So I went on Trustpilot to check out the reviews that people have on this company so that I'll be able to make sure that I'm giving you something that will not waste your time. So here are the reviews I found on Trustpilot. So as you can see, it has 4.7 reviews and a lot of people are giving it 5-star review. People are writing something positive about the platform here, and you see that it is very much legit, so you can give it a try. And regardless of where you are around the world, you can actually do the jobs they have here on the platform. As long as you are ready, you have everything that it takes, then you can come on board. So let's talk about how you can register. So you're going to go to Google and look for Micro One, then you can check for the open jobs, or you can go through the AI platforms like to know more about the company. So let's look at the open opportunities right now. So as you can see, they have a lot of jobs. Like this one is for people that are skilled, and they also have for people that are not skilled. So for people that are skilled, you can see the jobs you can do here, and for people that don't really have much skill, you can do things like daily routine video contribution. This is where you're going to be filming your daily routine for them to use to train AI. Then they have things like home activity participant, and they have house chores documentation assistant. They have daily routine video assistant, home activity recording role. This is where you're going to be recording your home activities so that they can use your videos to train AI. So they have a lot of things like house chores video assistant, everyday home task contributor, things like that. And you can actually see how much they are going to pay. They're going to potentially pay you $5 to $6 per hour if you come on board to do some of these non-technical or do some of these jobs like I mentioned here that do not really require much skills to do. So if you have expertise in some languages, you can also come on board here. Like you can see Japanese language, Danish language, Croatian language, Russian language, and all these languages. So for people that are into core tech, you have a core tech skill like front-end development, you can see front-end developers and all these other tech jobs here. So these are the things you can do. This shows you that regardless of your position, you can actually find something that will suit you and that can actually fetch you money once you get on board. So getting on board, you have a few processes to follow. One is that you have to create a free account, and then you define your skills. Then you take an AI interview, and of course you apply for relevant roles. Now the AI interview is not something you have to panic about, because it's just a way of them trying to learn more about you and what you can do and know your knowledge about doing AI training. So it's not something much that you can do, and the best part is you always use your phone to do all these things from the comfort of your home, so you don't really need to struggle or stress out about this. So once you're ready, then you can go and create your account. You're going to use your email account to create an account, or you can continue with your Gmail account, which is more convenient. So if you continue with your Gmail account, then here you're going to tell them about the top skills that you have. So you're going to fill out these top skills. Before you go ahead with the interview, you have to make sure that your camera is on and you have to be ready to appear in a video in a professional setting. What it means is that you have to look decent enough to face the camera. your background should not be distracted and all that, because you're going to be interviewed by AI so that they can understand you better. And once you're done with the interview and they find you fit to work with them, then you can apply for the roles they have here. And I'm going to show you how to apply. Once you've completed your profile and you're done with the interview and everything, then you can apply for any job role that you're interested in. And to apply, you're going to see everything about the job here, what you need, and what you would do, and of course how you can apply. Everything is here. As you can see, there's no degree here, no special skill needed here. So you can just start by applying, and then you can apply by coming to this side of the screen and adding your name, your last name, your email, then your phone number, and of course your LinkedIn URL. What it means is that you must have a LinkedIn account to be able to get started, and you can drag your resume down to this place so that it can be uploaded. So if you don't have any resume or you're not confident enough with your own, I have templates for resume that you can use to upgrade your own so that you stand a better chance. You can grab one, the link in the description of this video. Then once you're done, you can now click next and continue with your application process. Now they can have some other information depending on the particular role that you are applying to. They will need you to answer questions, so you can just quickly answer that. It does not really take much time, and once you're done, you're going to be receiving an email telling you that your application process has been submitted. So you have that in mind, and if everything goes well, once they start, you can be given tasks to do. And once you're done doing this task, you can receive your payment for the task that you have completed. So this is how you can actually do this job. So if you find this video helpful, please don't fail to like this video, subscribe to our channel. We're grateful to all of you that have been supporting us so far. We really appreciate you, and stick around for the next video, and I'll see you in the next one.